Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session we are going to take few trades as per the market movement. So right now you can see here the trend is a downtrend. Now the market is reversing in the middle of the trend, so the next level is here. So it means that if you get here any kind of situation like this, you can easily go here with the sellers. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so now you will see here a winning trade. Okay, market needs to go down and we will win this trade 100%. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you that how can we take trades. So again I will continue the trading. So if you analyze the market here, you can see here these are the two levels. Okay, so right now where we are, you can easily see that market broke this level. This candlestick broke this trend line, level A and level B. So this is a retracement candle and it is getting the rejection from this level. So it will give us a confirmed situation that whether market wants to go up or no. So let's see. Okay, now you can see here two bases. Okay, now market is telling me okay, now they want to go up. So why I took my trade, you can see here market is hitting this level, coming to this level again, broke the level again, opening from this zone. So it means that it will continue in an up direction. So I am only seeing here 10 to 15 candlesticks. You can easily see that 15-minute chart, so we can predict the next candlestick also. So now after this candlestick, if I want to go and check the left side, I need to only check one thing here, that whether it is a strong level or not. So I think there is no level, so we can move up again. So right now you can see okay, so I can go here with the sellers. This time I took my trade here in a down direction, so let me show you why. You can see this is the level and from this zone. Okay, if you analyze the market here, you can see this is the level. Now market is kind of ranging market. Okay, it is not making here a proper movement. So what I saw here, I saw here a rejection. I saw here that the previous candle was a bearish candle, a sign of sellers, and this is a level, so the current ranging market level. So therefore I took my trade and market needs to close here as a bearish. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so right now you can easily see that I won this trade. So at this time, if I want to go here with the buyers or sellers, then what I need to do, you can see market is trying to come down, and if it comes down, I will take my trade in an up direction. Okay, buyers will definitely enter here. So I'm waiting for a good movement. Okay, now you can see market went up. Okay, so now it is coming down, but I don't care, because in first 30 seconds I am not getting the good opportunity, so I will leave this trading setup. Okay, so for me the candle has to go up, so let's see. Okay, now I can confidently go here with the buyers. Now this time I can easily go here with the buyers, because you can see here this is the candlestick a long leg spinning top, a sign of reversal, getting the rejection exactly from this round number, and you can see it is a sign of reversal for the uptrend. If you analyze the market, the minor movement of the market is like this right now. So because of that, I took my trade here. I took one trade here because market closed here. This was a ranging sector. Okay, so this was a ranging sector, so because of that I took my trade. Now let me show you here the first level, the second level. Okay, so now you can see I also won this trade. So these were the trades which I took here, and let me explain you all the trades again. So if you analyze the market here, you can see market reversed in the middle of the trend, and it was an engulfing candlestick. So because of that I took my trade here and I won this one. Okay, so because of that I won this trade, and now let me show you here the second trade. So I took the second trade here. Why I took my trade here? If you analyze the market here, you can easily see that buyer's entry, again buyer's entry. This candlestick closed here and opened from this point, which was actually a buyer's area, so therefore I took my trade here in an up direction and I won this trade also. So this was my third trade. You can easily see that this was a reversal zone. Okay, so now after this candlestick, after this level I took my trade. You can easily see that market closed here and it was a kind of ranging sector. Now you can easily see that it was a ranging sector. So you can easily see that here one thing, that sellers entered from this point. Again market closed here at the level, so it means that sellers will enter again, and therefore I took my trade here and we won this trade also. So let me show you here. Okay, I went here with the buyers because I analyzed one thing, that market is now trying to go up from this point, because here the sellers were very weak. So it is not a sign that they will continue, it was a sign that now they are going to reverse the market. And now you can see here for 1 minute we got here a trading setup and we won the trade. Okay, so this is how you can analyze the market again and again. So if right now you are again waiting for these levels, so these levels will not work like that. You need to find the opportunity when you get the first time. Don't try to use them again and again. They will work, but they will work in a long time frame. Okay, long time frame. So in a short time frame they will not work like this. Again and again they will not work. Now you can see this was a level, the first opportunity, second, this was your trading setup, and now after that what happened, it broke the level. So you need to analyze the market again and again like this. Okay, so now let me show you here. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, so this is the area, okay, the area of consideration. So what I need to do here, okay, so I can draw a level here and I can also draw a level here. So this is a strong level. So if the candlestick closes here, in between these two lines we can take again another trade, because this level is going to work once at least. So now you can see here, okay, Okay, now you can see exactly from this point you are seeing here a buyer's entry. Okay, let me show you here. You can see exactly from these lines which I have drawn, you are seeing here a buyer's entry. It means that you are analyzing the market properly, you are analyzing the levels properly, and you are finding the accurate levels. So because of that you can easily win your trades. Now you can see I have set my level here. Okay, now you can see here this is the level, and from this point on the left side, if you analyze the market, you can easily see here a strong bullish momentum. It means that market will definitely go up, and they will at least give you a single trading setup because they want to clear their self at this level. Whether right now this level is a strong level still, or it will become a weak level, so like this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now you can see a strong buyer's entry. So what I need to do, okay, so I need to draw a level here. Okay, now you can see this is the level. Okay, so I can go here with the buyers. Okay, now you will see here again a bullish candle. Why? You can see here this is a weak seller's entry getting a rejection from the level, and now it is a sign that this candlestick will work here. Okay, so now you will see here a bullish candlestick. Okay, let's see and wait. This will be our last trade. So this is how you can analyze the market easily. I have drawn the level in front of you all in a current situation, and I got the situation from the past, and I won each and every trade. So this is the way you can easily take your trades. Watch the video again and again, try to analyze the market in a best manner, and be cool and calm. If you do the things like this, you will always get the profits. So now you can see in this sector there was no need to go back and find the things because it was a trendy market. When market came to this level, it became ranging, so therefore I took the trades as per the ranging situation. And at this area again I went with the buyers because there was a clear trading setup for this area. So I was only analyzing these 15-minute charts, and because of that 15-minute chart I got so many opportunities in front of you all. I took 1 2 3 4 5, I think 5 trades I took, and I won each and every one of them. So there is no need to worry about your trading setups. If you analyze the market properly, the main thing where you always get the disadvantage, and that is that you are still unable to analyze the market and its levels. So always remember that if the market is moving like this, take your trades in an up direction. If the market is coming and hitting this area and going like this, so always take your trade in a down direction. And if the market is moving in this range, you need to focus on the current situation, then you can go up, and then you can also take your trade from this point to go up. So this is a ranging market, so you need to analyze the market like this, because there will be these levels, and in this market there will be this level, and in this market there will be the horizontal lines. So this is not that much difficult. Okay, but who will analyze the market? You will analyze the market, because it is very much important. Now you can again see here one thing, market can close also here as a bearish also, so I need to wait. Okay, Let me show you here few things to understand the things easily. Now you can see here, for this area you can see market reverse from this zone. So there is a small gap. You can get here a doji also, you can get here also a bearish, because there is still a gap. But you can see, because of this rejection, market is reversing back and going up. Now if I ask you that what kind of market is going on, you can easily say that this is a ranging market right now. So market closed again at the level. So what you need to do, let me show you here. You can see here, this is the level. So from this point you can expect here is seller's entry also. So now in this zone, what you are seeing here, you are seeing here a seller's entry, a seller's entry. And now let me show you here one thing. The market is making here a kind of double top pattern only in this situation. So where is your next level? Your next level is here, or here, or the third one is here. Now you can see. So from this point, now tell me what you can expect. You can expect here is seller's entry too. Why? Because you can easily see that right now this market is telling you that okay, this is the level, still there is a gap, this is the level, and still there is a gap, and this is the level. So from every point of view you can see still there is this gap. So because of that gap, now you can see sellers are entering into the market, and now you will definitely see here a bearish candle. So right now you can see I explained you all each and everything easily. These were the levels here. So be careful, and when you take your trades you need to analyze each and everything. Okay, focus on these things, that what kind of pattern right now market is moving. It was a double top, so because of that you can see market went down again. So this is the way you can analyze the market. Okay, so I explained each and every situation. I took the trades in front of you all, and I think it was not that much difficult. So if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram. So kindly subscribe, share and comment. Stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead. And you can also join our Telegram group, Trading Skills. The link is in the description. So bye for now, have a blessed day ahead. Bye.